Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute little girl's dress with a crochet top and a cotton skirt. The sewing in this project is very simple and the crocheting uses very basic stitches. We have included a free pattern for you to make the crochet top and have also included a link to a tutorial showing you all the basic stitches we used in the pattern. For the crochet top, I used Eleganza No. 3 Pearl Cotton. Eleganza is a long staple Egyptian cotton that comes in both solid and variegated colors and in number 3, 5, and 8 weights, with number 3 being the thickest. This thread is often used for hand stitching, but many people don't know that it also works up beautifully in knitting and crocheting. I love the saturated colors of this thread, and the variegated option gives the project a fun twist. Once you have the finished top, we are going to show you how to attach the skirt to complete the look of this little dress. You will also need 3 buttons, a half a yard of cotton fabric, and a construction thread. I will be using 40 weight designer, a strong and flexible polyester thread made for garment sewing, as the seams will remain strong even with the most rough and tumble toddler. Once you have the finished top, lay the piece flat in front of you with the front side facing and the center back edges together. Place a pin at each side. With a tape measure, measure the length from side to side or from pin to pin. Then flip the piece and measure the distance from the side or pin edge to the center back. Also, determine how long you would like your skirt to be. Cut one piece the skirt length plus 2.5 inches and 2 times the measured width of the front. For example, if you want the skirt to be 10 inches long and the front measurement was 9 inches, your front piece would be 12.5 inches long by 18 inches wide. Each of the 2 skirt backs will measure 2 times the width of the side back times the desired length plus 2.5 inches. To construct, join the 2 side seams. If desired, finish the side seams together with the serger and press to the back. You can also finish the 2 center back edges. Now, join the center back seam, starting the back seam 3 inches from the top edge. Press the center back seam open, then press the seam allowance in 1/4 inch along the top 3 inches and top stitch in place. Turn up 1 inch along the hem and press. Then turn up another 1 inch and press again. Stitch in place by machine. Finish the top edge with a serger or a zigzag stitch. At the top edge, run 2 rows of long gathering threads. Insert a pin in one end and wind the bobbin threads around in a figure 8 to hold in place. Then, from the other end, pull up the gathers, pulling only on the 2 bobbin threads. Pin the skirt to the underside of the top, matching the side seams to the pins on the top. Distribute the gathers evenly and pin in place. Stitch in place from the fabric side, making sure the gathers lie flat and even. Stitch 3 buttons to the left side back and trim the threads. The pin can be stitched directly to the dress, which is safer for very small children, or attached with a bar pin to be removed for washing. And there you have a cute little girl's dress. This is such a simple project, and it uses very basic sewing techniques and the basic crochet stitches. It would be a great baby gift or a gift for your daughter or granddaughter. Please send us pictures of your finished projects. We'd love to see them. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, letting us know what you'd like to see next. We'll see you all next time.